At the beginning of the show, we learned that the Atayal people accounted for nearly 70% of the population of Taiwan. Besides agriculture, the Atayal people here also make their living with a centuries-old craftsmanship. It has an intricate process, and the works are so exquisite, they are sure to leave people in awe.
Why do I feel especially beautiful here?
Yes. Yes,
Really?
you are.
Really?
Yes, but it's for women when they get married. It's a wedding veil.
Really?
Yes, women only wear this when they're about to get married. It's a wedding veil.
Once in your lifetime. You're getting married.
Not today.
Not now.
Are they handmade?
Yes.
So beautiful. So many patterns on them.
Yeah.
They're all made of bamboo.
So today you're introducing us to the fabrics and clothing culture of the Atayal people?
That's right.
This equipment looks quite special. What is it?
It's a weaving machine. Traditionally, they're placed on the ground, but now we've made them more ergonomic, so we won't feel uncomfortable when we're weaving.
Oh, so the machine has been improved, but you preserve the traditional method.
Yes, the patterns are the same.
Are the materials natural?
Yes, we use cotton and Rami linen.
Rami?
We harvested it last time.
These are the unprocessed threads.
I see. After processing, they turn into this.
After twisting the threads, they become thinner and tighter.
And the color may change.
Yes,
The earliest dyeing method.
right.
Can you demonstrate?
Okay. Okay, then don't distract me.
No problem.
Because there's a fixed order.
Okay.
If the order is wrong, the pattern won't be right.
Even after observing the machine for a long time, we still don't quite understand how it works. But the sound the machine makes is like a piece played by a piano. Through weaving the threads, beautiful patterns are slowly created. Observing how concentrated she is, it's clear that it takes a long time to weave even a ribbon.
It takes at least 5 days if you concentrate.
5 days. So it may take longer.
Yes.
What's this?
This is the rainbow stripes you see on the mannequin.
That ribbon.
The ribbon going around?
Yes.
Okay.
It's sewn on the top, the horizontal lines that create a ribbon pattern.
Oh, the red one at the top.
Yeah.
Do you weave the patterns using the traditional method?
Yes.
Okay.
No, we learned from documents or we looked at clothes worn by elderly people.
Okay.
And we designed patterns with the totems on them, so the patterns remain the same.
How many generations?
More than 200 to 300 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, very long time.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes,
Are these bags also handmade?
yes.
So you make modern products with traditional techniques. Look how beautiful they are. And these are Atayal people's traditional patterns.
Traditional patterns.
So beautiful.
And the design of the bag has our signature Gaseya style.
It's a fashion bag combining traditional elements.
Hopefully one day.
True.
I'm really touched by what the owner said. Seeing the cloth slowly completed from her perspective, it's like God's masterpiece. It's a work of art. And because you know the weaving method has remained the same, you'll feel like she's creating the cloth through the hands of her ancestors. The wisdom of the indigenous people is ingenious. They could already make such beautiful patterns so long ago. I'm so impressed. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101.
There are really level 100 steps.
Yes!
This is the 101 Earth God Temple.
Yes, it's small but special.
True. Uyan, how is our Tai'an trip?
Amazing. The Tofu Street is our first stop. It's also our last stop after looking around. We got to know many places through our trip. We also made many friends, like the owner of the workshop. She has been preserving the traditional weaving method. So amazing.
We also went to Shuijian Visitor Center. It has a rich ecology and beautiful environment, and various bamboo forests, and the chirping of insects and birds, and
Yes.
the natural trampoline. We also climbed a very tall tree. That's so exciting. There's both sedentary and dynamic activities.
Our trip proves that besides hot springs, there are many places worth exploring in Tai'an.
I'm Will,
I'm Uyan.
and this is Linking 368 Taiwan. Which town will we visit next?
See you next time.
路途西经，充满生命力。我的决心，让台延绵。过去现在，和未来无限。台湾发展，全世界倾斜。勇敢热情，脚步不停。在汪洋中，要游向未来。华丽转身，华丽转身，咱做伙华丽转身。伫汉子啊，心手相连下，拼出一片台湾。坚强勇气，坚强勇气，咱斗阵坚强勇气，成为一尾坚